Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have something special for all the bakers and cooking enthusiasts out there: the Utopia Kitchen Cooling Racks for Baking. These stainless steel wire racks are designed to elevate your baking game and make your life in the kitchen easier. Stick around as we dive into the details and why this might just be the best cooling rack available in the market. Let's start with the basics. The Utopia Kitchen Cooling Racks come in a pack of 2, measuring 8 by 11.75 inches each. These racks are versatile, making them a perfect fit for jelly roll sheet pans and a wide range of baking needs. What sets these racks apart from the competition is their premium stainless steel construction. They are engineered to be anti-rust and durable, ensuring they last for seasons to come without rusting, bending, or corroding. But that's not all. These cooling racks are also oven-safe up to a scorching 500. So, whether you're baking, roasting, or grilling, these racks can handle the heat like a pro. Cleaning up after a baking session has never been easier. The Utopia Kitchen Cooling Racks are dishwasher safe, and you can also hand wash them with a cleansing brush in hot soapy water. Just remember to avoid abrasive chemicals, and they'll be good as new. Now, let's talk about what customers love most about these racks. They offer excellent value for money, and users have praised their lightweight, making them easy to handle in the kitchen. Plus, their sturdiness ensures that your delicate creations won't sag or collapse. Before we wrap up, remember that these products are designed for use in the US. So be sure to check compatibility if you're planning to use them internationally. In conclusion, the Utopia Kitchen Cooling Racks for Baking are a game-changer for your baking and cooking needs. They're versatile, durable, and easy to clean, making them an excellent addition to any kitchen. So, if you want to take your baking to the next level, these racks are the way to go. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Feel free to adjust and customize the script as needed for your YouTube video.